Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we will read page 14. And page 14 is the exercise for the last three lessons, Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma. So page 14 we will read without spelling, inshallah. If you want to read with spelling, you can do that yourself. So first one, huwa, laka, hiya, bika, tara, lima, ma'a. And remember, I'm saying again and again, do not make anything long. All of them are short. Khala, khalaqa, khalaqa, waqaba, waqaba, hasada, hasada, kasaba, qadara. Now next line, third line. Wahaba, sadaqa, sharaha. This ha is big ha, so the sound is ha, and the other one is small ha, sound is ha. So when we read, we need to remember this. Farada. This is dad, full mouth letter, and another letter is dal. So dal is da and dad is da. So we read carefully, inshallah. Farada, walada, qudira, hudiya, nufikha, khuliqa. Qaf is also full mouth letter, so qa, not qa. So this is what we need to remember, inshallah. Ghufira, duriba, wu'ida, kutiba, yada'u, qudiya, radiya, sami'a, nasiya. Here first letter is ba, over here, ba, that's ba, that's the dot, and the shape is on top here. And the second letter is kha, that's kha. I'm saying this because many students they make mistake on this. So first letter ba, second letter kha. Ba, khi, bakhi, la, bakhila, ghashi, ya, ghashiya, labi, labitha, wali. That's lam, and lam's kasra is here. It's underneath the ear. So that's this kasra is for lam, and this fatha is for ear. So wali, wali, ya, waliya, laqi, laqi, ya, laqiya, yadi, yadi, ya, yadiya, tabi, tabi'a, tabi'a, lahu, lahu, wa, lahuwa, ukha, ukhara, ukhara, uqa, uqadi, uqadi, ufu, ufuqi, ufuqi, rusu, rusulu, rusulu. Now the last letter. In the last letter we go, last line. In the last line we go the word which is 4 letter. Before we read 3 letters word, and now is 4 letter. Waja, wajada, wajadaka, wajadaka, ada, adala, adalaka, adalaka, khala, khalaqa, khalaqaka, khalaqaka. Here we go both qaf, big qaf and small qaf. So we need to read this one carefully. Qa and ka. Qa, ka. Qaka, khalaqaka. Bi, ya, biya, di, biyadika, biyadika. Alhamdulillah, we finished reading page 14. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.